Hello, today I'm going to be taste testing Perky Nana. It's a banana flavored chew from Cadbury. It's covered in chocolate. I'll open it up for you now. You look at the packet face. That's what it looks like there. That's from Cadbury's. This one got a little bit melted, but that's what it looks like there. It's banana flavored chew covered in chocolate. I'll break off a bit here now. Get some off. Got a bit squished. There it is. There, it's got a bit of a snap to it. Oh, it's pretty chewy. I just swallow it because you'll just keep chewing it. Pretty good. You can taste banana and the chocolate. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. There it is again. Let me know what you think in the comment section if you try it. Thanks.